In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an itch.io page, and more specifically, how to edit your page theme so you can customize the look and feel of your project or profile. If you're trying to make your itch.io page look more professional, more branded, or just a lot more polished, this is the fastest way to get started. This guide is perfect whether you're building a game page, a jam project page, or a personal profile. And before we jump in, make sure you hit like and subscribe if you want more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is log into your itch.io account. Once you're signed in, navigate to the project page or profile page that you want to edit. This part matters because the theme settings you see will apply to the page you're currently working on. So if you want to update a specific game page, open that game's project dashboard. If you want to change your profile appearance, go to your profile page instead. After you're on the correct page, look at the top admin navigation bar. You should see different editing options along the top of the page. Find the button that says Edit Theme and click it. This is the main tool you'll use to customize the visual style of your itch.io page. Once you click Edit Theme, an interactive panel will slide out on the left side of your screen. This panel is where the magic happens. Inside it, you can adjust fonts, colors, images, spacing, and other design settings depending on the page type and theme options available. Take your time exploring the controls, because this is where you can shape the entire look of your page without needing to write code. If you want a cleaner, more minimal page, you can choose simpler colors and easy-to-read fonts. If you want something more eye-catching, you can add stronger branding, custom images or style choices that match your game or project. As you make changes, keep an eye on the page preview so you can see how everything looks in real time. That way you can fine-tune the design before publishing it. A good rule of thumb is to keep your page readable, organized, and visually consistent. Make sure your text stands out clearly from the background, and don't overload the page with too many colors or visuals that distract from your content. Once you're happy with your adjustments, save your changes so they apply to your itch.io page. Then you can go back and review the page one more time to make sure everything looks the way you want. And that's the basic process for making an itch.io page and editing its theme. It's quick, beginner-friendly, and a great way to make your project stand out. If this video helped you, please like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.